Hey, welcome back. So today we're working on the Goblin again. For those asking, it's number 493. I had to grind down this to fit over this connector here. I don't think it'll really make that much of a difference. It's basically a giant washer anyway, so it should disperse pressure pretty evenly here. Did a little bit of work off camera, added a wiring loom to a lot of the wiring to clean it up. In order to finish the wiring loom, I needed to attach the turn signal wires. So here that is, nothing special. They just plug right in. Plug it in, plug it in. And I'm gonna kind of route it through here for right now. And just kind of let it. I'm hoping to get more done this weekend. I can pretty much get everything ready for the engine to go in. I'm still not 100% sure how ready the engine is to go in, so I'll have to kind of double check things and go through the videos again and kind of make sure that I've deleted everything that needs to be deleted. I feel like I've got a lot of extraneous things on here. Kind of have a look. Too much stuff. Everything that is not connected to something I capped off with a red plug so that I can make sure that I know that there is something that goes there. It seems like I'm missing one right here. Let's go. After figuring everything out, I made myself a little engine map. This shows where all the lines go. Alright, it's engine install day, woo! So, still got our last couple of things to button up here, a couple of clamps to put on before it goes in, and I feel like there was one other thing that I needed to do, but now I can't remember what it is. I don't know. Okay, so unfortunately I lost the video of the engine going into the Goblin, but essentially, so the engine sits here on this bracket. These bolts have been tightened and torqued down. There's more on this other side. Boom, same, tightened and torqued down. The fuse box is mounted here and here. The ECM slides right in and has these 3 plugs. I didn't get a shot of installing the belt. I didn't realize until after install that this hose belonged on the other side. It's only about a $15 mistake, but it's cost me some time as I'm not able to install the passenger side radiator hose yet. Thanks to my friend Abby Normal for sending me over this valve cover bolt here and this transmission bolt here. All right, thanks for hanging out, y'all. Next time we'll finish getting the engine hooked up and hopefully get her started.